Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're an oldie, go ahead and comment, like, and share this video. And while you're at it, you guys both hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss an upload. Guys, as you can see by the title, this was my first time trying the watercoloring process. And as you can see, it turned out good, girl. Y'all, I loved how this color turned out. And I had so much fun doing it. The only negative I would take away is that with doing this, you have to just make sure, like I did it as a wig. I did see some videos where some people did it as individual bundles. That may have been better, but to me, making a wig and then dyeing it is probably the easiest for me to do. I had some spots that have lighter areas, some that are darker than the others, but overall, this turned out amazing, guys. So I use 613 color hair, well, platinum blonde hair, and I use that to dye the hair. And guys, I think that's what I'm gonna do going forward. Like, if I'm not gonna have no natural black hair and I'm on color, like that's what I'm gonna do, because going from natural black to color hair, it just extra work, and I'm all about working smarter, not harder. So I'm about to be a new buyer of 613, and plus it just makes it easier with the scalp method as far as having a tint the lace. I didn't have to do none of that. It just all worked out. But guys, that's the only thing, the only takeaway I would have is like, just make sure when you do it that you try to get all the areas good, because there are some lighter areas in the back, and I think I'm actually going to cut this a little bit like up here some more. I like this length, but I wanted to, my intentions was to go a little bit shorter, so that's what I'm going to do. But yeah, I'm sorry, I just really like my hair. It just turned out good, guys. And yes, this is still Ace Beauty Hair, and y'all know this is at my local beauty supply store up the street. Okay, but guys, without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright guys, so I'm going in with 2 bottles of cinnamon and 1 of Cajun spice, and I'm just going to put that in my water, and I'm going to go on my whisk and evenly distribute the water. And as you'll see here coming up, it looks really weird going in, but guys, once you start whisking it in to evenly distribute that throughout the water, you want to make sure you do this, that way you can provide an even color without the dye. And also you want to make sure you whisk it in, because if not, when you are dipping the hair, you'll see in the video if I show it, but you'll see where like little clumps of the dye will show up on the hair. So you want to make sure you're evenly whisking that in to dilute that into water. Alright guys, so as I started the process, I just began to dip the hair into the water. And the reason what I was telling you guys earlier is to make sure you whisk the color in, is because as you're going to see here in the next like dip, you'll see where there's a big clump that shows up on the hair, and that is because I did not evenly whisk the color in. So you want to do that to make sure that you won't have any dark spots or some areas that may be lighter than others. And guys, this is pretty much it. Like, I'm just going to continue to keep dipping. And then I had some extra bundles left. So what I did is I just took those and dyed them. Just in case in the future, if I need to add some more hair here or there. Or if something needs to be replaced, I had some already backed up colored tracks already. So that's pretty much all I'm doing here. And that is pretty much it for my dyeing process. So I'm going to stop talking and let you guys watch the rest of the video. Okay, so I just finished washing my wig and now I'm going in to wash my bundles. And for my bundles, I am using my Shimmer Lights shampoo and I'm washing it with cold water. And that's pretty much all I'm doing, just to wash it out, get any excess color that may need to be washed out from the water, and just make sure we're getting it toned out to the perfect color that we achieved with the Cajun and cinnamon. And guys, this is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please comment below and let me know what you want to see. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.